Underhand grip lat pull down. Target muscle latissimus dorsi. You have to do it in the same way you perform normal lat pull down exercise. Only in this, the bar has to be held with the underhand grip. Due to this, the lat muscle become wider and big very fast, and V-taper shape is formed in the back. When you pull the bar toward the upper chest, squeeze the back muscle, and when you move it up, stretch the lat muscle. 4 sets and 10 to 12 reps, and take a 1 minute rest after each set. Bent over barbell row. This is a favorite exercise of many people because it makes the back bigger and stronger very fast. But it is a very important to do it with the right form so that there is a no injury in the lower back muscle. Stand in bent over position as shown in the video, bringing the barbell up, then squeeze the back muscle, due to which many muscles of the back are trained. So you must perform this exercise 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. One arm dumbbell row. Before performing this exercise, it is a very important to know about its correct form so that you do not have any injury. In the beginning, you stand bent with the support of a flat bench using a lightweight dumbbell. This is also make the lat muscle wider very fast. While performing this, bend your lower back slightly up so that your form is correct. When you move the dumbbell down, stretch the lat muscle, and when you pull the dumbbell up, squeeze the back muscle. Close grip lat pull down with superset seated cable row. In this you have to perform 2 exercises without taking any rest so that a very good pump is made in the back and the size of the back increases very fast. First we will do 10 to 12 reps of close grip lat pull down to make your lat muscle wider and bigger, and do 10 to 12 reps seated cable row exercise without taking any rest. The cable row is a great exercise for cutting well in the upper and middle back muscle. Make sure to do 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps of this superset. Straight arm pull down with superset pull-ups. This is also superset exercise in which you have to do first 10 to 12 reps of straight arm pull down. You have to stand in front of the cable machine. This mostly stretches the lat muscle. Without taking any rest, you have to do 10 to 12 reps pull-ups exercise, which is a very good bodyweight exercise. Build upper body strength and wider back muscle. 3 sets of this superset and 10 to 12 reps. Reverse grip cable curl. Perform it to make the forearms and bicep muscle bigger and stronger. Stand in front of the cable machine. Grip the bar with the reverse grip hand using a straight bar cable. Start with the lightweight, then bringing the bar up, squeeze the forearm muscle, slowly bringing the cable to the normal position. This also makes the wrist very strong. 4 sets and 10 to 15 reps. Behind the back barbell wrist curl. It is known from the name of this exercise that it has to be curled by holding the barbell behind the back. In this you curl till failure so that your forearm muscle are well loaded. This also make your forearms muscle very strong, and along it with the your wrist also become very strong so that we can lift heavy weight easily. You perform it with the lightweight, 4 sets and as many reps as you can possible.